Sometimes your files, you are working on Microsoft Word and the file close, or suddenly the light goes, or any situation, and you didn't save your work and you think your file has been lost. So, but if you will do this setting, so your file will not lost. Now I am showing you. You go to File, here Option, and here go to Save. Here you see this is autosave file store in. If you this is enabled, means the files will save in OneDrive. If you save auto recover information after 10 minutes, or you can change the time here, so it will be recover even you close without saving, or you close because of the light, or for any reason your file close.